Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix your Roblox app not working on your app. So all you have to do is to just click here on settings here, then it's going to take you here in this window. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here, you click here on apps, and it's going to take you here to apps window. Then you just go down here to looking for Roblox apps. So just keep going down here and you click here on Roblox, then it's going to take you here to next step. So you click here on force stop, then you click here on OK, then you go down here, you click here on storage, and you come to storage window. So just click here on clear cache, and all you have to do now, so you just uh, go to your Play Store here. So you click here on your Play Store, then you search for Roblox app is going to show for you like this, and you will click here on update, and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.